Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install necessary software such as Apache, PHP and MySQL by running the following command. Enable Apache modules with the following commands. Navigate to web directory and download the latest Rainloop Community Edition with the next command. Extract the downloaded file. Next, set proper permission for the Rainloop folder. The next step is to configure Apache. Create a VirtualHost configuration file with the next command. Add the following content to the file. Remember, you need to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Enable the new VirtualHost and disable the default one. Now, access the rainloop-admin panel by opening your web browser and going into your domain name with the next port. Use the default credentials. Username is admin and password 12345. Next, you can change the admin password by going to security settings and change password, or you can start work with the Rainloop. That's it. If you have any question, please let them in comments.